Hi, I'm Steve Caza. Thinking of buying new windows? Here are the 5 important things you need to consider before making one of the biggest investments in your home. Ask about the quality of the windows. We have been installing North Star windows for over 20 years because of the quality and design of their windows, ease of maintenance, and their transferable lifetime warranty. Do you know your window installer? Are they insured? Do they belong to a trade association? Are they local? Are they up to date with installation techniques and technology? Do they provide a written warranty on their work? Clear-Cut Installation give you a 10-year transferable installation warranty. Here at Clear-Cut Installations, the window installers that will be working on your home are trained in the WindowWise program, a national window installation certification program. Energy efficiency. All the windows we install meet the Energy Star ratings, keeping the cold out in the winter and the heat out in the summer, giving you energy savings all year round. Increase the value of your home. Windows installed by Clear-Cut Installation add value to your home, whether you're keeping your house as a long-term investment or contemplating selling. People recognize the Clear-Cut name as a sign of quality. Act now and receive a 20% discount on your next window installation. Give us a call or click the button below to set up your free in-home estimate.